So I'm going to show you now a couple of different ways that we can cut copper pipe. So kind of copper pipe that you're going to see in your home is probably going to be this 15mm pipe. We might also see some slightly larger 22mm, but this is the sort of standard stuff that you're going to see in your home. Now, we have two different pipe cutters that I can show you that show you how to cut copper pipe. Really recommend that you wear gloves when you're cutting copper pipe. It helps you grip, but also it helps you not to cut yourself, because when you do cut copper pipe, you can get a bit of a burr left on the end, and believe you me, I've done it many times, you can cut your fingers with it. So anyway, let me introduce you to, this is a pipe slice. You may well have seen it if you've had a plumber around in your house. It's got a little blade, circular blade inside there, just there. And that's what cuts through the pipe. It says on the size what size it is, so it's 15mm. And as you can see, there's a little arrow there as well, and that shows you the direction that you should turn the pipe slice in order to cut the pipe. So just put your bit of pipe into the pipe slice like that, and then you'll hear it click in. Then you turn it, there's the arrow, you turn it in the direction of the arrow, hold onto the pipe. Now you can either turn the pipe or you can turn the pipe slice, or both if you're feeling very ambidextrous. And if you keep turning it, it basically cuts through and you get left with, fortunately, two bits of pipe. But be very careful, because these bits are incredibly sharp. So that's one. Pipe slice, I don't know, somewhere between around about the 20 quid mark from well-known DIY shops. So this one here, this is a Monument. I think they call it a clam pipe slice. The benefit of this one is, one, it's a bit cheaper, and two, it's also good for cutting through plastic pipe. So you'll have one cutter that can do plastic pipe and copper pipe. Quite a good idea, really. So in this one, again, it's got an arrow on the side. So on this side here, it's got a little arrow showing you which way to turn it. And this time you click it on like this, and then you close up so that it's completely enclosed like that. And then you move the pipe slice round with the arrow, and not too distant future, you get two pieces of copper pipe. So this pipe slice can also be used to cut plastic pipe, which makes it very useful. So again, just double check the direction of the arrow. So here's your plastic pipe. You put the pipe into the slice and click it closed, so it's closed like this. And then, following the direction of the arrow, you move the pipe slice around. Keep going. It takes quite a bit longer to cut through than it does for copper. I guess that's probably because the plastic pipe is nice and soft. So just keep going, and eventually it breaks off. Now what you get is a really nice, clean, straight cut. So it's well worth investing one of these if you're going to do a bit of plumbing stuff at home. And that's it. That's how easy it is to cut through copper pipe and plastic pipe.